For the last 6 years, I have been seeing how well traffic commandos, all of you very young children, have been performing at the schools to improve the safety, environment in front of your schools, take care of the very young and tender children, those who are in nursery, LKG, UKG, and lower classes particularly, and also educating the grown-ups, the parents, the auto drivers and others. I have seen with my own eyes. For the last 6 years, this program has been gaining in strength. Every year, the number of traffic commanders has been going up. More and more schools are joining the safety campaign. This year, at the beginning of the academic year itself, we had made a resolve that this year will make a totally accident-free year for the school children. Not one life should be lost on these roads of a school child, and not one child should get injured. This resolve is all the more important now. I am really emotionally feeling for this because just before coming here, I was watching a scroll on the TV of an accident that happened in faraway West Godavari district at Elur, where two very small children being taken to school by their father on a scooter, they were hit by a tractor and both of them died on the spot. It's a very tragic incident. Let's make sure that such things do not happen in our city. Traffic police, the entire police department will certainly become part of this, and we wholeheartedly acknowledge and thank the young children for the enthusiasm they have been showing in making this a reality. Wish you all the best. Throughout the year, you will not only be helping your fellow children, the students, but also you will also learn quite a lot the art of citizenship. When you grow up, your contribution to the society will definitely be much more immense than what we are doing now, because you are getting trained in how to help the society from a very young age. Wish you all the best. I wish this program becomes a great success and years to come encompasses the whole city and all the schools in the city. Thank you.